Here we have a 67 plate Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC WHITEART Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels. We also have the mountain grey metallic paintwork. We have the racing stripes on the bonnet. We also have the LED daytime running headlights as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the second alloy wheel down here in excellent condition. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with a privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have colour-coded door handles. We have the black roof rails up top along with the pano glass roof, which is currently open. We have the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. We have a power assisted tailgate and the dual exit exhausts. Back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a quick look at the interior now. Coming into the back first, you find we have the half leather interior. We have the fixed ISO points as well for the rear. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, the half leather interior with the grey stitching, as you can see just there as well. Both these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable with the memory function just on the door there. Electric mirrors and electric windows with child for the rear as well. We also have the auto lights just there. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control just down there. We have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and much more. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.